T. 2 cylinders, boxer engine, air cool, no liquid cooling. What? The bike just shook when I started it. Just rumbled to life. Oh my goodness. Dude, when you rev the bike, it kicks it to the right. You see that? Dude, it has so many vibrations. But these are the good vibrations. These aren't the bad ones. I'm already excited. Oh man, this bike is super light. Yo, this bike feels tighter than my Monster. Is that a steering dampener right there? Oh yeah, another thing I can say about my Ducati Monster 821 is this is the second time my rear brake pressure has gone out. So got it serviced, and a month later it went out. So the local dealership here is actually doing me a big favor. They're gonna pretty much get the bike and replace what they need to replace on it, so that doesn't happen again. So big thank you to those guys, because they didn't have to do that. Okay, that rear brake pedal is lower than what I like, but it's not bad. This bike doesn't like to get out of neutral easily either, so we'll just keep it in first at red lights and stop signs. Clutch pull is moderate, not super light, not heavy, moderate. Dude, I don't think this bike has a slipper clutch, because when you engage it, it bites. But if it doesn't, I can understand the whole reason for not doing that, because of just what this bike is in the package. It's just a mean little street fighter. Scrambler. Yeah. Oh man. Yeah, man, you just can't dump the clutch on this bike. I would not recommend you do that. Dude, what is this? Like this bike in the turns, It's not that it feels heavy. Maybe it's because of with this being a boxer engine, so you know the pistons are flat opposed and whatnot. Maybe in the turns that you kind of get a little bit of, well, you feel a little bit of the weight. I don't know how to explain it, but it's something going on there. Yeah, this bike is a challenge. It's a challenge to ride. Yeah, this bike makes you work. Like even shifting, like it's not false neutrals, but I've already hit neutral twice without trying to. It's got to be aggressive with it. It's a mean bike, man. Like even the throttle is a little the feeling isn't exactly smooth on it, so the throttle is a little snatchy. But I mean, it just gives the bike so much character. See, like it's like on or off. Last bike I rode sucked all these potholes and like you do every time you blip the throttle, the rear wheel kind of like not vibrates, but it kind of kicks out. Such a cool little feeling. Ah, smooth roads. Yeah, this bike is not for the faint of heart. Like it makes you work to ride it. No doubt, no doubt. Like this is the coolest bike I've ridden in a while. I can say that. Like it's unique. And then it's time to bust out the summer gear because I have on my Four Seasons jacket. Man, it's hot. Like every time you upshift, it just bangs into the gear like this.